This is AmsterdamVideo.com.
Good morning y'all, it's Tuesday and as usual I'm on my way to the office for a new workday to start. Today's weather appears to be quite alright. It's sunny. It still is a bit overcast though, but yeah, it's fairly doable.
Stars over Amsterdam.
Well, as nice as the day started out, right now it's raining and it's lunch break. So yeah, I got some groceries at Albert Heijn grocery store. Whoa. 19-inch rack. And switch. Oh yeah. The workday has come to an end, so I'm returning to HQ to little Miss Chibi. And there we are, yeah! Chibi in the house, yeah! Sweetie! And now some fairly odd parents.